With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, let's look at the question. The question states, the longest and strongest bone of skull is, and we have got four options: hyoid, maxilla, zygomatic, and mandible. Okay. Now, first of all, we know that skull is basically made up of very small bones which are joined together, right? And the joining points among those bones are known as sutures. Okay. So we cannot say that skull is one single bone, right? So now let us look at all the questions, all the options. First option we have is the hyoid, okay? Now basically this hyoid is a bone which is present in the throat and not in the skull. And this hyoid bone is only focused on having a connection with ligaments and muscles. Ligaments and muscles, right? So we can just eliminate the first option. Next, let us go to the second option, which is the maxilla. Now maxilla is actually known as our upper jaw, right? Now this upper jaw is actually not the longest bone, okay? It is joined with the skull, but this is not the longest bone and neither this is the strongest bone, right? Now let us move to the third option that we have, that is the zygomatic bone. Now zygomatic bone is such a bone. Actually zygomatic bone is it starts from the sockets of your eye and then the cheekbones that we have, that is our zygomatic bone. Okay, so we can say what is zygomatic bone. We can say that zygomatic bone is actually the cheekbone, which is again, it is not the largest, it is not the longest and neither is the strongest. Now we are left with the fourth option, which is the mandible, and mandible is actually our lower jaw, right? And this mandible is basically, this is the longest and strongest bone, okay? Longest and strongest bone in the skull. This is also known as the jawbone. The lower jaw is only known as the jawbone, and this is the strongest and the longest bone, right? These mandibles consist of what? They consist of teeth. Okay, so we have got our answer. What will be our answer? The longest and the strongest bone of the skull is none other than mandible. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.